everybody, I'm Ben.
I'm Lee.
And welcome back to another Evil GT video. And what are we doing today?
We're off to my dream machine in Ellesmere Port.
Ellesmere?
Ellesmere, yeah. Ellesmere.
There you go.
Ellesmere Port. Same thing, everyone knows where
It's literally down the road.
Unless you're in like Australia or something. And they won't care. Anyway, we're going there to fix the brakes on this because they're absolutely destroyed. So you bought some brakes off.
The Euro car parts.
Yeah.
And they got a bit of discount, so they should have been like nearly 600 quid. And I got them all the discs, all the pads, Pagid, which are like OEM discs and pads.
Better than what's on it, put it that way.
Yeah, they're knackered. And they were £282 delivered.
I think that's alright, but we are going to do this job ourselves. Everything. Without any assistance from anyone.
That wasn't discussed.
And if you believe that, you believe anything.
To be fair, nobody would want to win the car on the raffle if they found out that we'd done the brakes. We are going to be supervised, but you'll meet the guy.
So before we go on, make sure you do this.
Subscribe. That's it. And then if you want to stick the notifications on, please do. They're over to the right hand side on the little bell. Thank you very much.
Here's where the serious work starts. Are you ready for this? Because you are doing the brakes.
I was born ready, mate.
Right, let's get it in. See the ramp? Get it on it.
Let's go.
You already mowing it?
Yeah, the turning circle on his car's shite. You undo them while it's on the floor? The wheel things?
Just send it
Because they'll spin round, won't they?
Send it up, it'll be fine.
Why? No, that's hard. I think you undo it. I think you undo it here.
Go on then.
I think I'm a little bit confused. Where's the gun? Is this it?
That doesn't take wheels off, no.
I don't know where the gear is, mate.
So let's have a look. You can't just like.
Where did our guy go?
Right, that'll do.
You knew we were coming. Gordon Bennett. I think we're in. Do you know what? No shit. That's the first nut I've ever took off a wheel.
No.
It is.
Really?
Selling me, mate. I don't fix them.
You don't sell them anymore?
I don't sell them either, no. Oh, that's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be.
The things come off.
The weight.
Oh, it's going to wobble now.
No. You got any glue? Surely it's just glue, innit?
You're asking me as if this is my warehouse garage thing.
That's not gone well. Like, this is literally typical Ford, this shit just falls off it. There you go. Job done. Easy. There you go, you can have that one.
Did you get these off eBay?
No. Euro car parts. They've been knocking around for a bit clearly, haven't they? Oh yeah, I've got some instructions here.
You don't need that.
Let's sound them.
So this is it, we're starting this genuinely on your own, yeah?
Yeah.
No one's going to help us?
No.
Right, what's
Not
the
gonna
first
help
What's the first thing you're going to do?
This.
No, stop, whoa. You've got to loosen up, come on.
I've just done this off camera, don't make me do it again.
Do it.
There you go, that's it, job done right now. Let's
Right,
go.
you're going to do yourself an injury here.
No, I'm not. So it's a 13. I don't know if I'm going the right way here.
No, that's tightening it up.
So, I've just got to...
No.
What the fucking hell? Is that the right way?
You're tightening it up.
Well, it's moving. I can't even get this on. No joke, that's going to round that off. That's not moving, you know.
It is, it just moved.
It didn't. Mate, that's not moving. It's rounding the edges, look.
I thought
Seriously.
you knew what you were doing.
Yeah, I do. I know what I'm doing. I'm rounding a bolt off.
Right, let's start again.
Right, there you go.
Right.
Easy peasy. You watch me do this here now. And I don't want to knacker the thread. So I'm just doing that. That's how I'm doing it. So I don't know how big this thread is.
Because someone on YouTube might actually watch this.
Well, I'll tell them straight away. We definitely don't know what we're doing. But we are being supervised.
Yeah.
So if I undo that now, and you can see that I can get to that little bit there.
Be careful. You're cack-handed, you, aren't you?
Oh yeah, how the fuck hell did he get to this?
So someone's already showed us how to do this?
No, how the hell? Are we out yet?
Nearly. Easy, mate. So go on, tell us the reason you're using that.
Couldn't find the centre punch, so like all good mechanics and technicians, you improvise, don't you, mate?
Of course you do, yeah.
There you go. So now, we've got all them pins out and the brackets out the way. I just need to get the pistons in. There's one at the top. There you go. Hey, there's more that side than there was the other side.
That's like a brand new one, that. That's not actually that worn.
I wouldn't go as far as to say it was like a brand new one, I'll be honest with you, but... I mean, they've seen better days, haven't they? Very worn, I think you could say.
There's actually quite a lot left on them. Loads left.
No,
Yeah.
mate. It's a wreck.
There's about 20-25% left on them.
I don't think you run pads right down to the
You just like wasting
thing.
money, you.
That's you, pal.
Do you think a car's ever fell off the ramp? Like
Well,
that?
that's why, you know, like me being here, because I was about to swing off it, but I thought that's probably a bad idea.
Well, I'll tell you what, get underneath it there.
No.
Go on, get underneath it and then, because you get more leverage. You do, underneath there. Stand there, go on.
In case a focus lands on me.
Can I just say, on camera, I actually loosened that for you.
Soz, mate.
No, seriously. I believe myself anyway, because I loosened it and you still can't do it.
No, this is the other one. There you go. Well done.
So it's a joint effort. So when you get your certificate, you're going to put my name on it as well.
Means that if I ever have to change brakes on a car, you've got to come.
Yeah. Well, just, you know, remember when we got this all done? The air tech and the clutch and the flywheel and everything?
Yeah.
We could have done it ourselves.
Well.
Because it ain't that hard, is it? Let's be honest. Is it?
No. It's just...
Hold on a minute.
I am sweating. Thanks, mate.
You don't look like you've got any...
You're such a twat. What have
Do
you
you know
got on your head now?
Do you know I've got to bleep that out? I've got to bleep that out now.
What? Having a good laugh there.
Right, so tip-top condition, yeah?
Seen better days, hasn't it? Always make sure you clean your hub.
Yeah, because you'll get exactly the same problem we got on the GTR.
Clicking.
Squeaky, clicky, all kinds of
No, even
noises.
this hasn't been made that bad.
No.
This is.
You can't say anything bad against like manufacturers. Because it's not, Ford didn't put the rust on it, did they?
No.
It's just turned up.
There we go, job done.
Done?
A little evil GT hack. Make sure you brake cleaner the thing, because it comes with grease on to stop it from rusting.
So what you're saying is, if you don't clean the thing off there, it won't break and stop.
I think it probably will do eventually, but you'll have to have a few cracks at it. Yeah, so I'm just putting a bit of copper grease on here, just to help the pads. You've got to make sure, like I've just done there, not to get it on the disc. I'll wipe that off. So like this edge, if it ever does catch from the caliper, and obviously the pad does that, so it's just to help with that bit there.
To confirm, even though it doesn't look like he knows what he's doing, which technically he doesn't, we are going to get this checked by a professional after it's done. So whoever wins this car, my dream machine, you're going to be safe to know that the brakes are going to work. Hopefully. Or maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And if they don't work, Ben's to blame. So that is it. That is the last bit, and we know it's the last bit because it's the bit we couldn't get off before. We'll get this checked out by our official
Yeah,
helper.
he's going to make sure that I put all the pins in the right place and tightened all the bolts up, and that, you know, it's all done properly, and then we can start on the crack on the back.
Well, we need to do the other side first. This is 1 down, 3 to go.
Alright, okay.
2 minutes later, this one's done as
There you
well.
go. See, we
so-
thought we'd not bother boring you with that.
Yeah, because that side was the first one.
Yeah.
Piece of cake, done. So
Easy.
We're just getting that other side checked out. This side's going to get checked out. Hopefully it's okay. And then we're going to do the backs.
Yeah.
And then we're going to be off.
Yeah.
See you later.
5 guys.
5 guys is on its way.
on then.
Another disclaimer on
Go
this
on.
car.
There's quite a few.
There's quite a few, right? Unfortunately, Cookie Monster isn't in with a raffle.
Well, we were having a chat with him before, weren't we? And he was like, nah, mate, I want to stay with you, pair of dickheads.
Yeah, because
So-
We did get him with the RS4, and he is part of the family now. I mean, look at him. Cookie Monster is staying with Evil GT.
You got a helmet for him?
We're having a little break. Little Five Guys. We should get sponsors off Five Guys. We've done it all over the world now.
Five Guys is good in it. It's well expensive, but it is good.
Everyone watching, he's done a bit, and now he's got to have the tablets because he's got a headache. Oh, you're all right, mate. Yeah, you're all right. You'll live. Your missus will sort you out when you get back. This worries me a bit. Look at that. And supposedly,
that's right. That's
when you put the wheel on, it holds it on.
Yeah.
Happy with that? So that is it. It's all done.
Yeah.
Even more like a brand new condition car now.
Of course it is. And because we're not confident with our own work, someone else is going to take it for a quick road test.
So hopefully it comes back in one piece and it doesn't come back with 3 wheels. Well, I don't want to be presumptuous, but I think that's okay.
I think the brakes work, yeah. Were you ever in doubt?
There was a little bit, to be fair.
That I could do it. And I've only got a little bit on my hands because I had gloves on as well. Smashed it.